Huh. 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 Oh. Huh?
Today we'll be coding with our robot Dash and his friends using the Go app on our iPad. When you open the app, hit the play button and it will open up to the 5 tabs. Before we get started with our activity, we need to make sure that you are connected to the correct robot. There will either be a plus sign or a picture of a robot in the top right corner. Press that button and it will begin searching. You need to make sure that your robot is circled in green with a check mark. If not, press the correct one with its name and number. It can be found on your iPad and on the back of your robot. I'm using Dash number 4. Once you are connected, hit the white X and it will take you back to the main screen. Now it is time to start the activity. When you open the app, you will see 5 tabs across the top. The first 2 tabs showing will be the Motion and Head tabs. The Motion tab is a yellow screen on the left. Using your finger, you'll be able to move him forwards, backwards, turn him left, and turn him right. You can also hold your finger to the side to make him go in a circle. You can change his speed by pressing the plus and negative sign. The plus sign increases his speed and makes him faster, while the negative decreases his speed and slows him down. You might want to start with a slower speed while you learn his controls. His head tab is the green screen on the right. You are able to move his head as you drag your finger on the screen, turning him in different directions. The next tab are for his face lights, sounds, and animations. The light blue tab on the left changes the LED lights on his face. You are able to add and take away the lights. You're also able to change his face brightness by sliding your finger across the bottom. The dark blue tab on the right side has all of his sounds and animations. When you push the different buttons, you're able to make him play the sounds and do his animations. Along the bottom, there are 10 spots to record yourself. Make sure that we aren't saying anything inappropriate while recording. You will first push the record button, then pick a number. Hit the record button again and wait for it to count down. 3, 2, 1. Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Once done, press the red record button to stop. Then you will press the check button and it will send the recording to your robot. Tap the back to the app button to go back. When you want him to play what you've recorded, you will press your number and he will say what you have recorded.
Hi, I hope you're having a great day.
The last tab is the orange one on the right. This tab changes his eyes and shield colors, and you're able to do that by sliding it back and forth. The graph on the top changes how the colors appear, making them flash, turning them off and on. Now that you know what all the tabs do, we are ready to open the Go app and have fun with Dash and his gang.